evening, everyone, and welcome to this edition of Weathercast 8. I'm meteorologist Ann Roberts. We have several things to cover tonight, so I'm going to kind of try to cover everything a little bit quickly. If you have further questions, you know where to find me. Here in East End right now, we're seeing a temperature of 75. It's a very pleasant outside. It's gorgeous. Notice that dew point of 45. The humidity at 34. That's some seriously dry air we've got going on right now, and that's going to make for a beautiful night across the state. Temperatures, again, are very pleasant. We're seeing the warmest temperatures coming in at 76 and the coolest coming in at 72. So open up those windows tonight. Now, I know several of you have been asking questions about Florida, about Irma, because you have plans in Florida in the next few days. So here's what's going on currently. We've got Irma, we've got Jose, and of course TD13 got a name this morning. She's called Katia. At this point, she is not supposed to affect the United States. She's going to make landfall in Mexico. But the biggest concern is Irma, and then of course followed by Jose. Now, as of this morning, Irma is supposed to make landfall around the Florida Keys and greatly impact areas to the south of Miami. Now, you'll notice on this graphic how far the tropical storm force winds go across the state. This is a widespread event. This isn't just where the eye wall makes landfall. You will feel the effects of Irma across the entire state into portions of Georgia and up through the Carolinas. So be aware of that if you are traveling. South Carolina residents, certainly keep an eye on the path as it has changed dramatically from just last night. She was supposed to make landfall in the Florida Keys. Today she's taken a more easterly track, and it looks like at this point the eye wall may hug the eastern coast of Florida. So those of you who had plans to go to Orlando, that may affect your travel plans. Now, of course, closer to home here in Arkansas, we'll see a beautiful night, 54 to be a little bit chilly in the morning. For tomorrow, a high of 80, another beautiful day. And if you're going out to the ballpark tomorrow night, this is what you can expect for your 6:30, 7:30, and 8:30 games at the Sardis Ballpark. Temperatures will be pleasant, not even getting chilly until late, so you don't even have to worry about those long sleeves. Just grab your jerseys and head out to the park, as it'll be a beautiful night. Now, here in Arkansas, again, your extended forecast looks beautiful. No chance of rain. So if you're still babying your gardens right now, go ahead and add some water to it. Again, because we have a dry extended forecast. Temperatures look good though, in the 80s with overnight lows in the 50s. So again, we're looking at beautiful conditions here. But if you have plans to travel east, make sure you check with your travel agency and make sure that none of your flights or cruises or anything else you have scheduled in Florida or the Carolinas have been canceled, as Irma is supposed to make landfall sometime Sunday night. Again, if you have any questions, you know where to find me. Have a wonderful evening.